So furthermore, on JavaScript comparison, let's say we have a to be equal to 5, okay, and then we are saying console.log not say a not equal to 5. Okay, so what is this thing gonna do for us right now? Is I did console comma here, sorry for that. It's gonna be console.log. Okay, so what it's gonna do for us here now is basically gonna check out and check if a is not equal to 5. Okay, so what this thing means here is not equal to. Is a not equal to 5? That's the question here now. Is a not equal to 5? So from here, a is equal to 5. So it's going to return false because a is equal to 5. All right. So let's just go ahead and check it out and say this, and it's giving us what false because a is equal to 5. But we are asking is a not equal to 5? It's saying what? False. Okay. But what we say that a is not equal to 50. All right. It's definitely going to return for us true because a is not equal to 50. Okay, now another thing you can also go ahead and check it out is greater than or equal to. You can say a greater than or equal to. This is how you can write it. All right, a greater than or equal to 50. So what can you say about this answer? A greater than or equal to 50. So basically, is a greater than or equal to 50? The answer is actually no. Okay, which is false because a is not even up to 50. Talk more on being greater than. Okay, so it's gonna return here false. All right, but when we say that a less than or equal to, all right, less than or equal to 50 actually, or 5, anyway you want to write right now, should give you true because a is actually less than 50. Okay, so let's check it out here, and of course we're gonna get true because a is actually less than 50. All right, so this is another thing you need to know about JavaScript comparison. Thank you for staying true, and then I will see you right in the next video.